And so what? What's the problem, Aya? So what? When you say the McDo, when you saw it, what's the problem, Aya? Huh? So what's the problem?
Ano? Yan.
What's the problem, Aya, when you saw the McDo? What's the problem? Again. Again, Aya, again.